Welcome back to ninth class English. The name of the poem is Home and Love. We have already gone through the poem. Right now, let's have its questions and answers. Question number 1 is who is the poet of the poem Home and Love?
The poem Home and Love is written by Robert William Service.
Right, Robert William Service is the poet of the poem Home and Love. Who? Why do we love our home?
We love our home because we live here and reach up in life.
We
Reach up in life.
We love our home because we live here and reach up in life.
rise, that is not a reach. Sunrise, rise, R-I-S-E, rise. That is not a reach. Could you understand? Why do we love our home? We love our home because we live in and rise in this place, rise up in this place. Or you can say we love our home because we live in it and learn a lot of things, right? Next one, what do our family members do for us?
Our family members love us and nurture us.
Right, our family members love us and nurture us, raise us, rear us. Could you understand? How do we grow?
We grow in the warmth, comfort, and care of the family.
Yes, we grow with the love, affection, and care, comfort of the family members, whose life becomes divine.
When one is
Blessed
with home and love, his life becomes divine.
Yes, when one is having with both home and love, his life becomes divine. When one is blessed with both home and love, one's one's life becomes divine. That is not life, that is life. Okay? What did I say?
Life.
That is life. Wait 1 minute. Okay, done. Next question. Which two words are the sweetest according to the poet?
According to the poet, the two sweetest words are home and love.
According to the poet, the two sweetest words are home and love. What do they, I mean home and love, what do they convey?
They convey a wide
and gracious range of speech.
Right, they convey a wide and gracious range of speech. They convey a wide and gracious range of advices, right, suggestions, decisions, so many things. What do the angels talk about?
The angels discuss about home and love, and
they
they
did not
find
substitute.
Words
sweeter than these words.
Right. The angels in the heaven talk the sweetest words, we believe. But they do not find the sweet words that are appropriate to describe home and love. What is hard to guess?
It is hard to guess which word between home and love is the best.
It is hard to guess the word which is greater than greater between home and love. Right? What arises bitterness?
If love does not remain in the heart, bitterness arises at home.
Love without home arises bitterness. Next, what causes pain?
If there is love but there is no home, it becomes very painful.
Right. Question number 10 is like this. Love without home is bitterness, and home without love is painful. Okay. Now let's move to the poem and be sure. Home without love is bitterness. Home without love is bitterness. The question 10 is what arises bitterness? Home with love, lack of love arises bitterness. Right? What causes pain? Love without home is often pain, that is home. That means non-existence of home, love causes pain. So, it's a very important question. We should be careful about it. And these two answers are very important. So again, let's discuss both the questions again. What arises bitterness?
Home without love is bitterness.
Yes, home without love arises bitterness. What causes pain? Love without
home is often pain.
not all. Love without home causes pain. The question is like this. Okay, now let's move to the next question. When does home become a paradise?
Home becomes a paradise when everybody in a family possesses love.
Right. Home becomes a paradise when there is love in the home. Right? What do go hand and glove?
Home and
Home and
love.
love are closely related.
No, it's not the answer.
Home and
Home and love go hand and glove. Question number, how does the sweetness of home link up with love?
Home and love are closely related. The sweetness of home link up with love because happiness in the family comes when love prevails in the heart of all.
The question is, how does the sweetness of home link up with love? Right? Home and love are complementary to each other. One cannot exist without other. Could you understand? And we have already discussed it. What did we discuss? Discussed home without love is bitterness, and love without home is painful. So, in this way, both are linked together. Okay, both of them go hand and glove. Next, when does one feel winning?
One has a winning
position
in
if
one possesses both home and love.
Right. When one possesses or gets or has both home and love, one feels winning. Right? Next, when can one sing the whole day long?
One can sing the whole day long if one achieves home and love together.
Right. If one achieves both home and love together, one can sing the whole day long. What is the message of the poem Home and Love for the reader?
The
The message of the poem Home and Love for the reader is both home and love are most necessary for the human beings. Right? Okay. That's the end of the question answer session of the poem Home and Love. Bye.
Thank. It's okay.